My name is Arjan Vaghela. I am diploma in mechanical engineering. I have total 17 years of work experience in machine tool industries. What I really appreciate about Cosmos is its open and collaborative culture. There is a strong sense of respect and teamwork and make work enjoyable. I have joined Cosmos in 2018 as a senior engineer. As of now, I am working as a deputy manager production. The work environment here is always positive and motivating. It keeps us inspired to give our best in every single day. Our leadership have always been a great source of inspiration. They lead by example, guide us with their vision and support us at every step. At Cosmos, the future is not just about company's growth, it is also about our individual's growth. We all are moving together, stronger than ever.